The following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be doing an unboxing and a review on a induction sterilizer sold by a buddy of mine. You see, BadSeed Creations. Alright, so let's get to this. Alright, okay. Got some good packing in it. Keep things from rattling around in there. And we've got this box. And we've got this box. Put that out of the way. So let's start with this one. This looks like it is the power supply. And we got looks like to be some stickers in there. And this, I'm going to assume, is the induction sterilizer itself. Okay. Got some nice padding in there. Alright. Oh, look at this. It's also padded in there as well. So far, A+ on the shipping, right? Look how small this thing is. This is pretty cool. Okay. Oh, I guess we've got a little plug, like a little rubber plug to protect the power inlet here. And I guess that's the button to kick it on. Oh, so this looks like it's a 3D printed box, because it has his logo on there. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that. There we go. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? All right, well, let me get this all plugged in and set up, and we'll check it out. So we're back, and what was left in that looked like stickers indeed were some stickers. I sent a few of the somewhat larger ones and a few of some smaller ones, and we've got about a half dozen of these clear ones that are kind of cool, right? Very, very cool. Maybe more than a half dozen. But also, looks like he sent me some spores. Very cool, huh? Hell yeah, BadSeed. Appreciate you, brother. Alright, so back to this bad boy we got here. Let's go ahead and pull that dust cover plug off. And plug it in. Let's see here. Okay. When I press the button, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a blue glow. Let's see if I turn off some lights, if you can. Can you see the blue glow in there? Okay. Alright. So, let's give this bad boy a shot. Oh, I'm hearing cackling, crackling right away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, that works pretty quick. Let's do that one more time with some less lighting here so that I can show it off again. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, that actually works pretty quickly. A little surprised a small unit like this would perform that well. Well, there you go, guys. Got the BadSeed Creations Induction Sterilizer, and it works like a champ. So if you're out there looking for one, we have options now. Alright, well, that's going to do this review. And stay safe out there, and happy cultivating. Here you go.